sila for a month. Parang makita ko talaga yung difference and may discount code for you guys. It's me again, it's Nazy. And for today's video, mag-review tayo ng bagong skincare product. It's from the brand Commonlabs. Sikat siya na Korean brand and nagpo-focus siya sa vitamins which is the key to anti-aging ingredient that strengthens foundation of the skin. And also, stay tuned at the end of the video kasi meron tayong pag-giveaway and may discount code for you guys. So yeah. Ayan, ito yung mga skincare products. Try ko sila for a month. Parang makita ko talaga yung difference and kung ano talaga yung ginagawa niya sa skin ko. So we have the Commonlabs Vitamin Pill Kit. Meron pa ako ditong tatlong tinry na from a different skincare line nila. So ito sila. This is how it looks. Super love the packaging. Ang ganda. Meron pa silang skincare product so that you can mix and match kung ano talaga yung kailangan ng skin mo. Yung mga skin concerns mo. Okay, so the first thing that we have in here is the Dual Vita Anti-Oxidant Ampoule. And ang liit niya lang. So ganito talaga nila ginawa to kasi para mas ma-preserve yung vitamin C kasi it has 15% na vitamin C. So this is an anti-aging ampoule that helps to improve the skin's elasticity and tinutulungan din niya maprotektahan yung skin mo against pollution. Plus, we all know na ang vitamin C lightens dark spots, pigmentation, acne marks. It also brightens your skin as well. So, very high quality yung vitamin C na to kasi galing pa siyang England. Plus, meron din siyang vitamin E. You have to store this sa refrigerator. So, if more than 15 to 20% ng vitamin product yung gagamitin mo, hindi siya mag-work. Hindi siya ma-absorb ng skin mo. Kasi yung vitamin C, kapag mataas yung concentration nung nauna na ilalagay mo sa skin mo, mag-lead siya sa irritation. Mabilis lang din siya mag-absorb sa skin and ginagamit ko siya first thing after kong mag-cleanse and mag-tone. Then, let it absorb. Mag-antay ka lang ng mga 15 minutes para mas ma-absorb ng skin mo yung vitamin C bago ka maglagay ng ibang product. Kasi siyang stopper. So, ilang beses ko itong natabig. So, natatapon agad lahat ng vitamin C which is sobrang nakakapanghinayang. Other than that, I really love it. And ilang drops lang talaga yung ginagamit ko siya. Like so. And mabilis din siyang ma-absorb ng skin. So, yun. Pat-pat mo lang and let it absorb. And we also have the Vitamin B5 Moisture Ampoule. So, this one is very moisturizing. So, perfect when you have dry skin. Sobrang marirecommend ko to. And ang best ratio na vitamin B5 is 10.8%. Ang vitamin B5 is also known as panthenol. And yun yung bago kong favorite na skincare ingredient ngayon. Kasi it helps to absorb moisture from the air and i-hold nyo yung moisture sa skin mo. Yung panthenol din kasi, it keeps your skin moisturized throughout the day. In all day, ka makaka-feel ng dryness, hindi mo na kailangan mag-re-apply ng kahit anong pang-moisturize. Kaya gustong-gusto ko siya. And after you apply it, parang mafe-feel mo na ang soft to touch yung skin mo, ang lambot. This one, very lightweight. You won't feel any tackiness. Hindi siya sticky. And moist yung texture niya. Ayan o, see mo nga siyang gel. When you blend it, ayan, it turns into water naman. This lang siya mag-absorb, ayan. Once you blend it, let it set. And ayun o, ang lambot niya, very soft to touch. Mafe-feel mong moisturize yung skin mo after you apply it. Apply ko siya after nung vitamin C. Actually, nakaka-addict siyang gamitin. Kasi yun nga, mafe-feel mong hydrated and moisturize yung skin mo. And we also have the Vitamin C Brightening Gel Cream. This one naman helps to brighten and i-hydrate yung skin mo. And meron din siyang vitamin C, which I really love. Parang sobrang bihira akong makakita ng cream na merong pure vitamin C. Love this one so much. Also, ganito rin yung type na moisturizer na gusto ko, na favorite ko kasi pwede mo siyang gawing gel mask. Meron siyang scoop. I couldn't find it. Gel na gel siya. And amoy siyang orange. Sobrang bango. Very relaxing. And ayan, pag in-apply mo siya, yan, yung gel type na very wet look. Pwede mo siyang sabayan ng ultrasonic facial tools, LED therapy, para mas madali siyang ma-absorb ng skin. Na-absorb na siya, very lightweight lang siya. Mafe-feel mong hydrated yung skin mo and moisturized. Perfect din siya when you have dull skin kasi meron din siyang PHA, mandarin orange peel extracts which tinutulungan yung maging smooth yung texture ng skin mo. And lastly, from the kit, we have the Commonlabs Vitamin E Micro Needle Spot Cream. Super favorite ko to. Sobrang bago niya sa akin kasi ang alam ko lang ng micro needle is yung micro needle rollers na you have to do it manually. But this one, you guys, galing. Sobrang cool. So, spot cream siya na merong micro needle na hindi mo makikita. So, you apply it. Nandiyan na siya 70 hours. Nang mararamdaman mo na merong mga needles kasi parang may tumutusok. Be really careful lang when you apply it kasi once na hinawakan mo siya, wag mong hahawakan yung eyes mo or sa kahit anong part ng face mo kasi yun, matatransfer mo yung micro needle. So, yung micro needle kasi, i-open niya yung skin mo para mas ma-absorb niya yung nutrients nung mga skincare na ina-apply mo. Kasi talagang pumapasok siya sa skin mo. And it also lightens dark spots, pigmentation, acne marks. So, meron din siyang tea tree, leaf extracts that can treat acne, sebum control. Pero, hindi siya for everyday use. Ang use niya is after 2 to 3 days. Pero ako parang once a week ko kasi siya ginagamit. Kasi I have sensitive skin. So, parang ayokong biglain yung skin ko na every after 3 days naglalagay ako nito. Pero pag nakasanayan ko na siya, gagawin ko ng after 2 to 3 days. And ang recommended din kasi is gamitin mo siya sa last part na ng skincare routine mo. Kasi, in-apply mo siya unang-una pa lang. Apply natin yung mga skincare product all over our face, right? So, mas recommended siya na last para hindi mo nagagalawin. Hindi ka na mag-a-apply sa kung saan-saan kasi lilipat yung mga needles. Small amount na is okay. Talaga mga spots lang where kung ano yung kailangan, like dark spots, acne, ipupush mo lang siya para lumabas yung product. Dito. Ayan. Ano na siya? Meron din ako ditong iba pa, 3 product from a different line, pero Commonlabs pa rin. Ditong Vitamin E Calming Ampule. This one naman is for acne care, calming, and skin protection. Kasi high concentrated siya na talagang ang super suit ng troubled skin or then skincare irritation. Kasi meron siyang Vitamin E and Ggultamin that helps control sebum, treat acne, it calms and protects the skin, as well na mas ma-reduce yung inflammation ng skin mo. Also, meron din siyang healing and soothing ingredients such as vitamin C and madecassoside and allantoin para ma-assure na ma-retain yung healthy state ng skin mo after niya magkaroon ng improvements. Ina-apply ko siya after nitong vitamin B5. Parang katulad din siya ng vitamin B5 na parang gel-like siya, pero very runny. Pero mabilis din naman siyang ma-absorb and super lightweight. Saka mafe-feel na stickiness or tackiness. For exfoliation, we have the Vitamin C Glow Boosting Face Mask. Meron siyang lemon peel powder that helps with exfoliation, sebum control, skin tone improvement, and skin elasticity. And meron din siyang HA, BHA, and PHA that we all know na exfoliating siya. And it also helps with the sebum control and moisturize din niya yung skin mo. Meron din siyang 7 fruits complex which iba-iba yung benefits na binibigay niya. And meron din siyang botanical moisturizers such as aloe ferox leaf extract and eucalyptus leaf extract para naman maprotektahan yung skin mo from pollution and nakakasuit din siya. And very moisturizing. You can use this once or twice a week, depende sa'yo. And gamit ka na lang ng face mask after. Makapal siya, so hindi mo siyang i-wipe with a towel, a cloth, a tissue para mas ma-rinse off mo siya ng mas maayos. Bango nito, kaamoy niya yung gel cream. Sobrang bango niya. Nakaka-relax din siya. You can leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes and then after nun, i-massage mo lang siya. Massage mo lang siya then right after, rinse it off. And lastly, meron tayong face mask. This is the Ggultamin C Real Gel Mask. So, 2-step brightening face mask siya that comes with a peeling pad which is yung pang-exfoliate mo. And then, yung step 2 which is yung mismong face mask. So, this one, it gently exfoliate your skin and then ipapasmooth din na yung texture ng skin mo. Meron siyang honey and vitamin C and yung sheet niya is ang tawag Cupra sheet. A 2-step brightening system siya that protects your skin from aging, dryness, and pigmentation. And compared sa normal sheets, meron sa market, this one is mas maa-absorb ng skin mo yung nutrients. And meron siyang vitamin C and niacinamide that helps to brighten your dull skin and pigmented skin. And yung honey naman, it helps to protect and strengthens the skin barrier. So, all you have to do is, peel this off and then gently lagay sa face mo para ma-exfoliate. And then after that, you can apply na the face mask. You will leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes and then right after that, take it off and let it absorb. Hayaan yung i-absorb ng skin nyo. And then yung the rest, you can put it somewhere sa body mo para hindi masayang. So yun. So this skincare line made my skin healthy, moisturized, which number one concern ko din right now kasi is very dry ang skin ko. So I need hydration, I need a very moisturizing product. So this one really helped my skincare concerns. Yung pinaka-favorite ko is this one, the Vitamin C Microneedle Spot Cream kasi sobrang kakaiba niya. Sobrang life-changing. I love this one so much. I highly recommend it. And lastly, I also love this one, itong Vitamin C Brightening Gel Cream. Ito talaga yung favorite kong moisturizer and nagagamit ko rin siya sa mga skincare tools ko. Plus, it has vitamin C in it. Pure vitamin C. Win-win. Lahat naman ng products na pinakita ko is okay for me. Wala akong violent reaction. May-recommend ko siya sa inyo. Available naman siya sa Shopee. Very accessible. So, madali ang shipping. And you can also visit their website. You can also check their Instagram account. And you can also check them out doon sa Facebook page nila. And for the discount code, you can use CMMNZRN, which 20% off siya. Applicable siya sa lahat ng products except dun sa trial kit and no minimum purchase. So, go, go, go! Sayang yung 20% din siya. And I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. And join the Gucci Thumb in My God Squeeze. And yep, I'll catch you guys again on my next one. Bye! Peace.
Oh, we're living in the present.